First of all, I'd like to introduce an artwork entitled A Joyful Outing. I utilized the different shapes of seeds and design with creativity in an animated manner. I wanted to demonstrate a more vivid, delightful, and happier feelings. Therefore, I named this artwork A Joyful Outing, which shows a special feature of trees. Since most of the trees leave their seeds after the end of their lives, almost every kind of tree blooms and bears seeds. Thus, we may discover that trees continue their lives by leaving their seeds. Yet, how can we take advantage of the seeds? We fully understand that the seed contains life. If you plant a seed, it grows into a tree afterwards. Yet, if you just put it aside, it becomes meaningless. How can we utilize a seed and create life from it? Although we do not plant it into the soil, we still create its value of life. Hence, we can create seeds and turn them into various kinds of animals or insects, which demonstrate a vivid and everlasting form of a seed. This piece, A Joyful Outing, that you are looking, echoes a delightful mood. I actually transformed the happy moment when I found the seeds into a real work of art. We mentioned that the seed is a living thing. Just now, how to create life from a seed and find out the value of life depends on how we take advantage of it. Let's take a look at these artworks. They were all designed as the cute mice. These characters have different facial expressions, and they were all composed by the seeds. Let me introduce some special seeds for you. Take this mouse for example. Its head is Spondius moonbeam, the body is Phacelia, and the eyes are rosary pea. Be aware that the 2 feet of it are made of the seeds of a gourd, which is nothing special. However, if we utilize it competently, it becomes extraordinary. Now take a look at the eyes. They are rosary pea. I did not deliberately paint the color red and black on them. The colors are from the Mother Nature, which are out there waiting to be explored and discovered. You can even see the white spots of their lives, which are the sprout points of the green and red beans. That is how we made a good use of the materials. Next, please take a look at this. Do you see a guitar here? Do you know where the guitar that the mouse holds comes from? I just cut one piece of Phacelia into halves, and then I inserted a twig here. Hence, it becomes a very interesting work of art. Therefore, you will find that all of the works of art are amazing. Let me further introduce this mouse. What is it doing? It is beating a drum. This is a seed of Phacelia. I use it and cut the bottom part vertically into halves, and it shows the look of a drum. I painted the middle part with a black point. Have you ever thought of an innovative idea? Not only in Taiwan, the whole world has gone with the development trend of cultural creativity. Once we have the correct direction and suitable materials, we will gain the maximum data. If we develop the seeds adequately, we can double the value of the artworks. Now take a look at the ox cart, whose wheels are actually composed by the soap bark vine. Its exterior is just perfect for the wheels. An artist should link its imagination with the shape of the material and design his best piece of art. The ox you are watching looks like a real ox because its characteristics are exhibited successfully by the unique seed. The two parts of an ox, its head and body, rely heavily on sterculia because the ox butter vividly resembles the real one. No other material will be able to demonstrate the butter trace so well. Now, please take a look at the ox head, which was made of the weaving tree. Even a little kid will understand right on the spot that it is the head of an animal. We try to make good use of the characteristics of a tree to complete the outward appearance of the ox, and its profile is similar to the target animal. In other words, we need to use and combine different materials together for a good piece of art. What is the little insignificant oxtail you are watching made of? It is actually the seed of a betel nut. When a betel nut ripens, it will grow into a fiber suitable for making the oxtail. Wow, it is the tailor-made for the subtleness of the oxtail. Now please look at the feet of the ox, which was made of the stalk of a coconut. We were able to demonstrate them naturally because the radius and degrees of bending of every stalk are different. You will find them very active and nimble. Why? Because they are natural materials. Each mouse has different head because no seed looks exactly the same. Therefore, every mouse you are now watching will not look alike in terms of its body and size. Even its facial expressions vary, and they are unique. Take this mouse, for example. Its tail was composed by a fern stem. Due to the variation of bending and radiance of every tail, the artwork-based styling and modeling will be cute and very amusing.